Hi, I'm Christella from Faye, and I want to show you how interactive our ebooks are. So let me start by showing you my salad collection cookbook. So this is the ebook version. And as I scroll through, you can see down the bottom I have a little button here that says recipe lists. If you click that, this is going to take you to our dietary guide. So this lists all the recipes that are available in this cookbook. And it also gives you a little description of their dietary related what they are. So if it is gluten-free, you can see it's got a little dot. And if I just flick back a page, it'll give you the description of what those dots mean. Because some of them will be not a full dot, which means you can have an option to make it gluten-free. And usually those instructions are in the notes. So on a lot of the recipes, you'll see a little box like this, and it'll give you those suggestions. And you can see another little one here, which means some of the recipes do require 2.2 litre bowls. If I flick back, you can see this recipe requires it. In some of the other cookbooks, there's a lot more recipes that may require it. Again, check out the notes on the recipe and it will tell you exactly how to modify it to your machine if you have a smaller model machine. Now, if I click on one of these recipes, so all these little blue underlines means that it's a clickable button. I'm just going to click on this recipe here and it will take me straight to the recipe. So if I want to go back to that recipe list, I can click again on the recipe list and it'll take me back to the complete list of recipes in the book. And all the ebooks are like this. The other thing I wanted to show you is when you do go into the recipes, I'm just going to scroll down into the recipe, you can see that even sometimes the ingredients or different things are highlighted. So this recipe goes really good with the raspberry vinaigrette. So if I was to click on that, it would take me to that recipe. I'll just go back to that recipe again. The other thing it would take you to is, the recipe, the raspberry vinaigrette is linked there, but it's also sometimes gives you suggestions. So a lot of people don't know what linseeds are. So we have tried to give you a bit of a glossary and information about those different ingredients that are a little bit maybe harder to find or a little bit unusual. But yeah, hopefully that helps you. And the last thing I just want to say about what's clickable is in the corner here, all our social medias are clickable. So once you cook the recipe, don't forget to link to us. So tag us in Faye Cookbooks. And I hope to see some of the recipes that you'll be trying soon. Thanks guys, bye.